Dear student, welcome back to Dr. Shrikant Pharmacy channel. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest pharmacy video. So today I came with a topic that is the tenders. Okay, in this class we are discussing what are the tenders, what are the different types of tenders are there. Okay, so first of all, tenders are nothing but a quotation. Quotation means whenever we need anything, we are making the small list. What are the things we required? Based on that, we are planning for the which material or which product, where you are getting which shop. So we are going there and we are collecting that. So this is the general procedure what we are going. In industry or in a pharmacy, that is in a retail store or wholesale are there, or industry are there. There what happen, raw materials are there, equipments are there. Okay, in industry, and if wholesaler are there, so some companies are there. So based on that companies, what are the product has to be purchased. So simple, आपको मालूम ही है, जैसे हम लोग एक मोबाइल लेना बोले तो हम लोग एक फ्लिपकार्ट में देखते हैं, अमेज़न में देखते हैं, आउटलेट में देखते हैं, सब जानकारी लेके हम लोग जो खरीदते हैं ना उसको बोलते हैं दी कोटेशन और टेंडर. जैसे समझ लीजिए एक के लिए हम लोग लेते, अगर 100-200 लेना बोले तो हम लोग उसको कोटेशन और टेंडर को पूछते, उसको बोलते हैं टेंडर्स. सो टेंडर्स आर नथिंग बट इन सिंपलेस्ट वर्ड, आफ्टर रिसीविंग द requirement from the department, the next step is that purchasing department will be there na, that department invites the tenders from the different suppliers with the list of the requirement of the department. So that is called as the tenders. Very simple. What is that? So whatever the requirement which is needed for the department, so that will be bringing by the one department will be separate is there in pharma industry, that we call as a purchase department. They are inviting the what are the requirement you need, so that will be suppliers which are present na, for them they are sending the list of the requirement, list of the minimum requirement of the time, etc. will be mentioning in that. They are sending them and comparing the whatever the quotation which are sent by the requirement or purchasing department with respect to the different supplier, and comparing the rates and the conditions, who will be the best, they will be purchasing the goods. So usually there are 4 types of tenders are there, based on the quantity or the type or the quality or the department or the retail store, wholesaler or the industrialist. So first one we call as a single tender. Single tender means you are placing the requirement only one supplier. For example, if that particular product has a patent or proprietary goods are there, so there is no other, the patent or the proprietary goods will be sold by the other. So hence what happen, the quotation or the tender which is placing to this patent or the proprietary goods in only one tender means, for example, I need a 50 of this marker. So only one company, one supplier will be there for that. So I have to be mentioning that I need 50 this marker, black, blue, green, like this. So no other alternate, hence we are placing the only one order, hence that type of tender is called as a single tender. समझ लीजिए मेरे को एक 50 मार्कर चाहिए. ओके, सो इसके लिए हम लोग रिटेल में गए तो हमको ज़्यादा पड़ेगा. सो अगर इसका जो मेन सप्लायर रहता है ना, एक ही रहता है, मेन डीलर जो रहता है एक ही रहता है, उसके लिए बोलते हैं पेटेंट बोलते हैं, और प्रोप्राइटरी रहता है, उनका एक ही पास मिलता है ना, जैसे मिलता है एक ही पास बोले तो एक ही हम लोग टेंडर देते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं सिंगल टेंडर. कोई अदर अल्टरनेट नहीं रहता. अगर अदर अल्टरनेट गया तो भी हम लोगों को क्या मिलता है, रेट उससे ज़्यादा मिलता है. तो इसलिए हम लोग जो सप्लायर्स कम रेट में और क्वालिटी में जो देते हैं उसको हम लोग परचेज करना पड़ता. Second is a closed tender. See, the word closed means the tender is closed, means not opened. So limited tender are also called as the closed tender. So यहाँ पे क्या हो जाता है, more than one supplier जो रहते हैं ना, उनको बेचते, हमारा जो रिक्वायरमेंट इतना है, आपका जो टर्म्स, रूल्स, रेगुलेशन और बेस्ट प्राइस क्या है, आप भेजो बोल के एक टेंडर देते. सो उसके लिए बोलते इसको क्लोज्ड टेंडर और लिमिटेड टेंडर. एंड जो भी हम लोग इसको बेचते हैं ना, ऑलरेडी अप्रूव्ड लिस्ट रहता सप्लायर्स का, मतलब पिछले बार और लास्ट 5 ईयर से हम लोग परचेजिंग करते रहते ना, उसमें एक लिस्ट बनाए रहते, एक 10 या 20 लोग अच्छा सप्लायर्स बोल के, क्वालिटी वाइज, क्वांटिटी वाइज, time maintenance wise, price wise, everything we are checked and we made the best suppliers of that. For them, they are placing at least 3 to 5 suppliers, requesting that these are the requirement we need, what is the best price, what is the condition of that requirement, like you need how many days, within 5 days or 1 month, what is that. So that will be placing into the closed system. And for example, if you send 3 members, means 3 terms and rules will be come across as for that, and verifying that which is the best, and you can place the order. So that is the closed tender. Next is open tender, also called as a public tender. It is also called as an unlimited tender system. As the name indicates, open tender means it's openly, no restriction 5 or 3 or only 1. Here open tender means they will placing in the advertisement in the newspaper or televisions or the magazines, like a pharma, particularly pharma newspapers or trade journals will be separate, will be there. For them, they are publishing the requirement of the particular company, these and these things. So hence that type of tender is called as an open tender. Open tender मतलब क्या हो जाता है, ओपनली हो जाता है, कोई भी हम लोग जिसको इंटरेस्ट है वो ले सकते हैं और दे सकते हैं, जो भी रेट रहता है. ज़्यादातर ये जो ओपन टेंडर रहता है ना, लार्ज क्वांटिटी ऑफ मटेरियल्स रिक्वायर्ड, it will be adapted. Huge cost is involved in that time also, it is adopted. Large scale work is to be done. Source of suppliers are not known. ये जो main 4 important criteria will be considered, in that only it is adapted open tender. And ज़्यादातर जो जिस तरह से ये open tender है ना, mostly will be adapted in the government tenders. The government companies are there na, for that company, and big companies there which are present now, so they will be entertaining this open tender. They will make the requirement in the newspaper, so they will give the time and they will be asking the minimum deposit. That is the format I am showing. This is a description. This is an appropriate cost of that tender and earnest money and time limit. So for example, drugs is there, 2 lakhs is there, earnest is 10,000 is there, and the duration is 1 month is there. So similarly, IV fluid 1 lakh, 5,000 and 1 month. This earnest money is very much important in the open tender. So if you want to put any your tender means you have to place the some amount. For example, 2 lakhs is there, 10,000 worth you have to be caution deposit has to be made. So those people only entertained. And last one is a global tender. So as the name indicates, global means the worldwide will be there. So this will be across us only when the international standard throughout the world, मतलब जो भी आइटम रहता है ना throughout the world में यूज़ करते रहते. समझ लीजिए, the machines are there, materials are there, equipments which are used for the R&D, research and development. वहाँ पे क्या हो जाता है, दूसरे कंपनी का जो स्टैंडर्ड कंपनी रहता है वहाँ से मंगाते हैं इक्विपमेंट रहने दो, रॉ मटेरियल रहने दो, वो टाइम पे क्या हो जाता है, ये ग्लोबल टेंडर यूज़ करते हैं. मैं समझता हूँ एक क्लास से आपको बहुत ही सरल से टेंडर मतलब क्या हो जाता है और टाइप्स ऑफ टेंडर जो भी है ना वो आपको मालूम हो गया. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.